Here we are at 9:23, and we're in Tennessee, and it is pouring down snow outside. No joking. I mean, that's telling God's truth. It is pouring down snow. And we like to get up in the morning, it'll like be 2 foot out there. Look at that. Just look at that snow coming down. Well, 9:23 on a Monday night. Pouring down snow. It looks like a North Pole right there. And it's all over the grass out here. My goodness. What's it look like from the front side, I wonder? Man, we had... Here it is, the front of the car is all white, the truck is white. And it's still snowing too. My goodness gracious, if I hadn't looked out, we'd have got snowed in. That's all there is to it. Just look right there.
My eyes swelling now, Rob. Hi, I hope you enjoyed our video and it blessed your day. Help us grow our channel. Hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Until next time, God bless.